This is how I get my key out of my thing. Don't look at the numbers. If I remember the numbers. There's a key. Isn't that cool? I always make sure it's in there before I go anywhere and lock the door. Yeah, they were just literally pushing people out of the road. I'm almost thinking maybe it's not a good idea to go get wet. Oh man, that is nuts. I'm just I don't know if I'm allowed down this way. Oh, they're going through it. They may be on the sidewalk. Yeah, because people are walking through it. Oh, look! I don't know what it is. You guys see it? Look how fast it's rolling. Don't know what it is. Man, he's moving so cute. I don't know what he is. Oh my gosh! You guys, there's... Oh, because it's almost kind of like a divot. Oh my word. Oh man. Yeah, people are going the wrong way. There must be some kind of divot right here. Oh man. People are picking up their bikes and walking through it and stuff. Isn't that crazy? But yeah. Since it flooded that fast, wonder if it unfloods that fast. Oh, that truck is nuts, and people just keep watching them go through it like, oh, he got through, let me try. And that bus, I think it's stuck because it's going the wrong way on the road anyway, but it's stopped in the middle of the water. So I think it's stuck there. Oh, that little red car. Oh, it's going to turn around. He said, no, never mind. I wouldn't even want to get wet. That is crazy. I got the best view, though, because I'm up here not getting wet. Everyone down there getting wet. But I really think that oh man, there's people over at the pharmacy yelling at people driving through there like, you're gonna stall your truck or something. I'm assuming that's what they're gonna say.